Can we hear me? Can we hear me? Yep, we're live. Okay. All right, massively bullish market today. I've got a massive pump. Market is really bullish. I am long here. I've taken a long position on this LVN because I think ultimate target for the bulls here today is 465. I think I'm gonna have to change my my bias on this market. I think I said it yesterday in smooth stream. I think the bears have had enough time to be able to take this market down and not been able to do so. So I think the market's getting up for a new all-time high, guys. Okay, so yeah, I'm very to be honest, I'm pretty much there. I think my bias is switching bullish now. I think the market is gonna trade to new all-time highs on the Nasdaq. Yeah, so I've taken a long position. Let's see how this plays out. This is my first trade of the day. We're gonna get a new 30-minute candle soon, so waiting for that. All right, let's see. Bullish bulls are stepping back into on the tape here. Really nice. Really nice push there by the bulls. Let's see if we can sustain. I think this is probably the dip that you're gonna find today. I'll be surprised if this keeps selling, in all honesty. I think it's gonna be rare to find a dip, and I think this is the only dip that the market's probably gonna present to us today. So yeah, I'm gonna hold this trade for a minute because yeah, I'm leaning bullish, so I'm gonna hold this trade for a minute. Probably at least to 400s. We're in from 300, so yeah, I'm looking for a 100-point move here, back to the upside. Let's see what happens. Does the market want to come lower? Unlikely after such a bullish move to the upside. It'll be very unlikely for me to think this is just going to collapse down now, you know. So I'm pretty relaxed here in holding along. If things change, then whatever, but I think this is a pretty safe trade to take. Instead of trying to chase this move, we just wait for a pullback and then long it. I think that's the safe play. So yeah, I'm going to continue holding this. I'm confident that we'll make new highs. I don't think the high is in. It'll be very unlikely that the high is in already on the first 30-minute candle. That would be super unlikely. Well, I think that when the next 30-minute candle opens, I think the market's going to blast straight through. I'm long now, Laughter. I waited for the pullback. I didn't long the opening move. I didn't catch that. I wasn't at my screen. I was just opening my fast at that moment. So yeah, unfortunately, I didn't catch that. I don't think I would have taken it, to be honest. It's just, yeah, market was already so bullish before then. I would have thought there's going to be a small pullback, but we didn't really get anything. But yeah, I'm happy right now where I am with this trade. I think this is one of those days where you're going to get one pullback and then it's just going to grind higher for the rest of the day. Maybe, you know, once it gets to this 465 target, then maybe it pulls back. But yeah, I've switched my bias now. 3 weeks ago, I flipped bearish on this market. I was expecting a lot lower, but bears have had, you know, they've had 4 months to try and take this price lower, and they haven't been able to do it. So yeah, time's up. Sorry bears, your time's up. The bulls are back in control, and yeah, my bias now leans towards the new all-time high on the Nasdaq. So yeah, my bias is going to switch. I'll send a alert out in a bit as well on the Discord. But yeah, I think we've broken out the consolidation phase, and yeah, the move is to the upside. So yeah, that's what I'm leaning. All right, bit of a battle going on here, but I think the bulls are going to win this battle, especially when the next 30-minute candle opens. I think the market will blast off to new highs. I'm not new high, sorry, just make a new high for today. Nice laughter. Laughter doing its thing. Yeah, I'm gonna hold this trade until probably the 400s. Looking for a 100-point move on it. Yeah, it's looking solid. It's looking solid. Bulls are stepping back in on the tape here. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, beautiful. Everything is pumping today, including crypto. Silver's also pumping like crazy as well. Marcus W. Trump is in the house. Yeah, Trump's in the house. That's right. Trump ain't letting this market go down. He's got to win those midterms, yeah. So we gotta take that into consideration. He's gonna do everything he can. He's probably got a lot of mates in Wall Street as well. He's probably got a lot of friends in Wall Street, that I must say. Okay, have we got a new 30-minute candle yet? No, 1 minute. Okay. Yeah, I think once this new 30-minute candle opens, we should see a new high day. Bears are trying to protect this level, but I think they're going to get squeezed out, and we're going to make a new high. Probably just, they're probably going to be exit liquidity here. They're getting absorbed here, the bears. All right, new 30-minute candle just opened. Let's see. Bears trying to step on it. Let's check out Bitcoin. Yeah, it's ripping. Bitcoin is ripping. 67K on Bitcoin. Really nice. back inside value area low. Next target is going to be point of control 68 and then 70. ETH is back over 2000 as well. Here come bulls. Some bears getting squeezed out here. New highs are imminent, in my opinion. Sup, K-Dog? How you doing, brother? You trading today, K-Dog? I was waiting for a while for this pullback, hit exactly at my level. Yeah, exactly. This is a bit of a late entry on TradingView, but TradingView is laggy. This is just a demo account just to illustrate my trade. But yeah, 285 was the level, hit exactly at that level. I think this is the only pullback we're gonna find today. My target for the day is 465. This is the kind of dip. This is the kind of day where you get one dip and it just for the rest of the day just rallies. So that's kind of what I'm expecting. I'd be surprised to see this thing trade into these levels again. I'd be very surprised. Bulls are finding a bit of a tough time here at the highs. Yeah, bears are trying to step in on the bulls here, trying to trap some bulls. I don't see many bulls up here yet. It's all bears. It's all very aggressive shorting. Yeah, really aggressive shorting. Yeah, really aggressive. Very, very aggressive. Wow. Yeah, they're taking it back down. Okay. Probably just a liquidity stop before higher. I'm going to stay in the trade though. I think this is just a little scare. Yes, sir. Bulls love cheap prices. Very aggressive shorts. Very, very aggressive. Yeah, this is wild right now. Pretty wild sell-off. It looks scary, but I don't think they're going to get anywhere though. Yeah, I think they're gonna ride this back to the highs. Yeah, it's just a scary little sell-off. Just a liquidation candle, and most likely a resumption to the upside. I'll be surprised if we trade into these levels today. But if we do, I'll be gladly accepting lower prices, and I'll long again. Yeah, all the volume is getting shifted to the bottom of the candle. Once we get above all this volume, we should start squeezing to the upside. Yeah, once we get above 300, it should start squeezing. As soon as it gets past 300, I think it's going to start squeezing. The 300 is the magical level. Because the bears are trying to defend that 300 level, that's for sure. That's where they're all gathered. They're all gathered around that 300 level. If you can get past it, the bulls are going to start squeezing them. Another rejection of 300. This is going to be the battle. This 300 level is going to be the battle. If bulls win this, we go to new highs, new higher day. If the bears can continue sustained pressure at this level, then there is a possibility of going down. So let's see who wins now. Pattern traders don't like lower highs, says Laughter. The only thing I like is longing into strength. That's why I love a nice clean bull market. Yeah, really big battle at the 300 here. Heavy pressure from the bears. They're trying to absorb. Just a sec, guys. All right, we're back. Looks like bulls are trying to squeeze him now. One trader makes millions trading gold. Yeah. Keeps it simple. Yeah, that's how it should be. Keeping it simple. Orderflow looks complicated. Takes a bit of time to master. Yeah, that's how I like it. I don't think it's overly complicated. That's how I keep my trading. I have pivots that I think are strong pivots to long from, and that's what I do. Keep it pretty simple. It's all about risk management at the end of the day. Your position sizing. That's the most important thing. Strong pivots, you go a little bit heavier. Weak pivots, you go, size down. Okay, bulls are stepping in on the shorts now. Shorts are coming back in heavy. Oof. That was a nasty rejection from the point of control. Yeah, they giving a bit of a tough time here to the bulls. It's a tough area. But I still think the bulls are going to win the fight. So I'll remain long. That's not looking amazing though, to be fair. Bears do have a chance here of knocking price lower. And bulls are not really stepping in aggressively. Yeah, open spaces. Yeah, that's what I do. They're called low volume nodes. Especially on a trend day, you gotta look to trade into those low volume nodes. Take longs from them. That's what this was. That's why I have that level. That's why you can see the market's holding that level. Alright, now they're stepping in. Bulls are stepping in on the tape here. Let's go bulls, get aggressive. Start trading higher. K-Dog, what's going on with you anyways? Are you trading or what? What's going on? Get up in the chat. Don't be hiding away. K-Dog said he's a bad trader. Nobody's a bad trader. K-Dog's trading on his last leg. You can't be trading the market like that, bro. This is my last chance. This is my last attempt. If you look at it like that, you're gonna fail. Treat this as a side thing. This is a long-term project. Long-term project. Yeah. Trade. Yeah, exactly. Laughter is right. Trade micros. This is a long-term game, bro. This is a 10-year game. You got to find another source of income, keep your family fed, and do this on the side. It should be something you set up for like retirement. It's a lot easier to be trading at 60 years old than going out there and doing some manual labor job or a stupid office job at 60, you know? Yeah, that's great, K-Doc. That's the way you should be keeping it. Keeping it light, keeping it simple, keeping it small. What's ES doing? Yeah, same thing. Bouncing off that node. Yeah, market's definitely making it hard here. Making this trade hard, making us wait. But I think eventually it will pay off. What's Bitcoin doing? Ripping. Wow. 67.5 on Bitcoin right now. Altcoins are also ripping today. Ethereum back above 2K. Yep. Yeah. Affiliate money. Obviously his STC indicator. It's not cheap, is it? Pretty expensive tool. Bet he's making some big cheese off that right now. Well, at least he's honest though. At least he's honest. That's what I do. One thing I do like about Smooth is that he's very honest. He says it straight that he's not profitable yet. Now, after that, after he tells you that, the onus is on you, you know, to do your homework. Do you still want to buy something from somebody who's not profitable yet? You got to make that judgment yourself. People are fools on the internet, so they still buy it because they just want a cheat code. It looks like a cheat code, gives you signals, looks fancy, you know. That's what people want. They just want something really easy. Well, if somebody's telling you that I'm not profitable and you're still buying his products, you gotta really question yourself. This trade might be cooked here, guys, because of how long it's taken. It might be cooked. I don't like this consolidation. I was kind of hoping this just pulls back once and then moves to new highs. Wasn't expecting this, you know. But we'll keep it on. Chop fest, yeah. After that big opening drive, yeah, it's been a chop fest. But we'll still err on the side of the bulls. Yeah. And keep playing some nasty games. They might just sweep and then rip. So I'm just gonna hold the trade. Has it swept? Yeah. It has. The bears want this badly, yeah they do. Yeah, they're slamming it. The bears are really getting in strong here. Yeah, it wants to VWAP, yeah. Don't let them make you think that though. Don't let them make you think that. Don't let them make you think that. That's what they do. The masters are making you think they want something. Okay, nice drop. Yes, ES is still holding. The ES is still holding this level, so let's have a see what happens here. I could be all she wrote though for the bears though. That could be the end of the sell-off. Yeah, it could be the end of the sell-off here. VIX is still very low. Yeah, bulls are not really getting rewarded. They're stepping in but not really getting rewarded. Let's see. here they come now. That's more aggressive. See, yes, it's bouncing, yeah. I think that could be all she wrote for the bears. I think the market's going to shift back to the upside here. I think ES is going to lead the way. Yeah, bulls are stepping in, and now the absorption's stopping. Yeah, they're getting rewarded now, the bulls. Yes, it's pumping. Yeah, it looked like for a second it's going to go to the VWAP, but I mean it still could, but looking less likely now. Like I said, don't always let them make you believe that it wants something. It looked like it wanted VWAP, but it bounced way before VWAP. That's what they make you do. They make you think something. Okay, new 30-minute candle just open. I mean, you could still hit the VWAP. Make no mistake about that. But it's just... yeah, it's looking less likely. Looking less likely. ES is out of Tory right now. I'm almost at break even, back on my trade. I'm back green. You got that right, Laughter. Nobody fools me. Even Wall Street can't fool me. I am the kind of Wall Street, you know? And they'd rather fool somebody else. Go on full smooth, you know? Don't try and fool me. Yes. Yes, just crack the Tory. Yes is leading this bull. Yes is leading the bull charge here. K-Dog, how many trades have you taken so far today? A lot of bears getting absorbed now. They're putting up a big fight though, the bears. They're really putting up a fight in this area. Around that 300 level again. Yeah, they don't really want to let it go above 300. Yeah, they're slamming it again. What's up, K-Doc? You might be right. I might just go to the VWAP. What if you are right though? What if you are right? I think K-Dog's dipped out of here. K-Dog says VWAP. K-Dog wants the VWAP. Lots of work, K-Doc. Got another job? Got another job, K-Doc? Go, Bulls, go. Go, go, go. You know you wanna. Challenging 300s again. Proving a bit of a pain in the ass, this 300 level. Come on, yes, lead that charge. Wow. Really, laughter? That's fucking insane, man. That's insane, bro. At least in America, well, I don't know where they are, but in America, even cleaning toilets will pay you well. Over here in Dubai, you can be working out in 50 degrees heat and you get paid, how much do these guys get paid? About $600 a month. Yeah, around $600 a month they get paid in 50 degrees heat. So cleaning toilets in the US is still better than being out here 50 degrees heat. Yeah, this 300 level is a really problematic level here for the NQ. They really don't want to let it go. They need to get away from it if we're going to see a new high. That's crazy, dude. Why did she go to Mexico? Why did she leave the US to go to Mexico? Did she get deported? Probably got deported, right? Trump probably kicked her out, innit? Yeah, you wouldn't leave America to go and live in Mexico. I mean, I know one guy who's doing that. He lives in Mexico, but he's a millionaire, so he's living the ocean life, you know. Eats organic food, wakes up, does yoga on the beach, shit like that. Different type of character. Lives in a small, you know, ocean type of village in Mexico. He's loving life. Yeah, this 300 level is a really nasty level on the NQ. Bulls just can't seem to get past it. Building up momentum. The bulls, they are building up some momentum here. What do you mean that's cold in the US? 50 degrees? No, that's not cold, bro. No. Dubai heat is Dubai is probably the hottest country. No, I mean not country, but UAE is probably the hottest country in the world. 50 degrees is not cold. You're fucking. It's like an oven. You'll literally burn if you step outside for like 2 minutes. That's like 130 Fahrenheit. I've lived in California. I know what that heat is strong too, but it's nothing compared to Dubai. Dubai heat is something you'll never experience in your life. I think you thought I'm mentioning UK. That's 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Talking about Celsius. Yeah, that weather will literally. I almost had a heat stroke, bro. Literally, I went to a water park, and that weather was absolutely insane. I was gonna collapse. My heart started beating at like 100 miles an hour, and I had to rush into the emergency room because I was about to faint. It was absolutely crazy, bro. What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin is ripping. ETH is up almost 10% today. Wow. Let's see, Ethereum. Really nice. Yeah. Well, I was drinking water that day. But still didn't protect me. LA, huh? Right now, 78. Yeah. LA gets nice weather though. Right now in Dubai is nice too. It's yeah, really perfect weather. What are we on right now? Let's see what the weather is here. Winter in Dubai is nice, man. Really nice. So it's 24 here, 24 degrees. I don't know how much that is in Fahrenheit, but it's nice though. It's really nice. That's like the UK summer. Market is not having a good time with that 300 level. I just feel it's just consolidating and it's gonna rip. So I'm gonna hold on. 70s, yeah. So there you go. Really nice though. 70s is beautiful, man. Bull flag, yeah. Yeah, there you go. Pattern traders. It's a bull flag. So yeah, I'm gonna continue holding it. And yeah, I still think we're gonna go higher. My ultimate target is 465. What is that from here? 180 points. I think it's possible. Yeah. Very dry heat. We're basically on a desert. Market's really not going anywhere right now, is it? Completely died off. VIX is on its way down. ES is pulling back as well. Yeah, it's getting support off the off hedge pressure here. All right, a little bit of a pump there. Bulls coming in. Have they collected enough shorts now to rip this? Let's have a look. Let's wait and see. Still stalling out at the 300 though. 300 is a fucking nasty level for the NQ. It's getting rejected at 300 again. Yeah, really nasty. Wow, what a nasty rejection that is. Doesn't like the 300s. There's a big seller sitting there. Yeah, this is nasty, guys. This is really nasty. That 300 level is concerning. Mark is having a very tough time getting over it. Yeah, really nasty. Very chop fest. Well, I think the longer it holds up here, the more likely it is to go higher. I think the move when it comes is going to be really aggressive to the upside. After all this, after all this consolidation, should get a really aggressive move. You know, the one that just takes you up like that and squeezes all these shorts. Man, Bitcoin is ripping. Almost 68K now on Bitcoin. Getting stuck again at 300. Wow. Wow. Yeah, I think it's gonna have to wait until the next 30-minute candle comes. We've got 3 bearish red candles in a row. I think the next one should get us out of this range. Five more minutes for the new candle. Yeah, Bitcoin's on fire, yeah. Nice to see though. Nice to see finally getting a pump. It's almost at, yes, hit 68 now. It's at that point of control, getting rejected. Previous week high is 70. I would like to see a massive move straight up. And just squeeze a lot of shorts. That's what I want to see. ETH is up almost 10%. Link is up almost 15% today. Really nice move on Link. You can see from this volume profile, all the consolidation. Volume, the VPOC has shifted to the lows, which means this is accumulation. So they're gonna want a return on their investment after accumulating. Probably gonna push this to at least 15, 16. Yeah, that's what I think. Still getting stuck at 300. NQ, same story. Fucking boring as hell, man. What's going on with gold today? Let's have a look at gold. Gold is consolidating, huh? This BTC gold ratio is what people are looking at. Made new lows, wow. And BT silver as well. Non-stop interruptions. What's going on with K-Dog today? Yeah, I'm gonna see how this trade plays out. I either get stopped out or hits my TP. So I'm gonna be here until that trade finishes. One more minute until a new 30-minute candle opens. I think this is starting to like curl back around. It's gonna move higher. That's what I'm thinking. Once it gets past 300, I think convincingly, I think that's the time it's gonna start moving back into 340, 350s quite quickly. Alright, new 30-minute candle just open. Let's go bulls. Don't get stuck at the 300 again. Just keep pumping now. Let's go. Consolidated fucking long enough here. $305. Come on. Get up there. Get away from the 300. Yeah. Now you're gonna see a squeeze. Should start seeing some liquidations and a quick aggressive move to the upside. Let's go. Come on. The bears are really trying to step back in though. Really trying to step back in and protect those 300s because they know the danger. You step away, if we get away from 3, yeah, there we go, some liquidations coming in. Back up to 312. Come on, bulls, push it. Push it, let's go. This should be the candle that takes us to new highs. New higher day. Come on, bulls. Step on it. I want to see that massive spike, that big candle that we usually see when we get massive liquidations. I want to see that to the upside. Come on, NQ. Come on, don't do this fucking bullshit right now. Don't do this bullshit with me. Yeah, it's fucking around again. Nasty rejection. Our bull's gonna step in and eat this up. Use 300 as support this time. Go bulls. Yeah, they're eating this candle. That's ES. Oh, ES is almost at the highs. What the hell? Are you fucking kidding me right now? NQ, you fucking absolute pussy. Wow, what a fucking absolute pussy. Wow. Wow. This is fucked up, man. Oh, this is really fucked up. Now this is really fucked up, man. Fucking ES made it to the highs and NQ's still down here. Fucking joke is that? NQ, you got some fucking catching up to do. You piece of shit. Yeah, you suck, NQ. I was gonna watch now what's gonna rip. What, see? He's getting pissed off now. You suck, NQ. You suck. NVDA earnings today, isn't it? Yeah. Watch the market rip. Yeah. Usually NQ fucking outperforms ES. Usually ES is the choppy one. NQ's ripping. Or vice versa. It's tanking and ES is fucking just chopping around. Alright. Now it's getting angry. NQ's getting angry now. It's saying it's my turn. Where's ES? Okay, ES is still there. We got a catch up trade here. Go on, NQ. Get up there, baby. Yeah, get up there. Go, you got some catching up to do. Get the hell out of here. Okay, a lot of bulls stepping in on the tape there. ES sweep? Not yet. Alright. ES is waiting for you now, NQ. It's even stopping, saying, come let's catch up and do it together. It's saying we're gonna sweep together. You back in, Laughter? Nice, dude. I assume long, right? Alright. Man, this trade made me wait. Usually my trades don't last this long. It's like normally 10 minutes, 5 minutes. He bought in. Nice, Laughter. Now I am even more confident that big man Laughter is in this trade. Now we go to highs. Let's go, Laughter. Let's do it. Yeah, let's squeeze those 300 shorts. At the 300s. Yeah, get away from them. Let's squeeze the fucking living shit out of them right now. Squeeze them motherfuckers to death. Squeeze them into submission. Let's go. Yes, it's about to sweep the highs. Hell yeah, Laughter. Hell yeah, baby. Let's go. Yes, it's about to sweep the highs. Let's go. Come on, yes, sweep that high. Are you gonna wait for your brother NQ to play catch up? Yes, says I'm gonna wait. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, it's about to sweep here. Come on, yes, don't do this double top business. Don't do it. Just fucking sweep. Your brother's gonna catch up in a minute. Just get out of here. Don't do this dirty. Yes. I know you're waiting for your brother. But just know that he's coming. Alright? So just go up there and sweep, and he's gonna be following you. He's coming right behind you. Go, yes. Don't do this double top shit. Let them short you and then rip them apart. Yeah, yes, go. Are you fucking kidding me right now? Go, yes. NQ, get your fucking ass. Hand out your ass. Get moving. There goes, yes, there's the sweep. And NQ's just dicking around, doing nothing. Oh, NQ, you fucking suck, man. Wow, NQ, you suck. Shame on you, NQ. You suck. You really suck. Now you suck, NQ. You bought a yes at the highs. You're a brave guy. Oh yes, go. That's better. That's better, NQ. Yes, it's ripping. NQ is it's got some catch up to do. Got some catch up to do here. Not doing it very well though. I'm not liking this price action on NQ. ES was the index to long today. Should have longed the ES. As soon as ES was you know, holding that LVN here, previous week highs, that was the long fall from ES. Yeah, I'm not liking this price action on NQ. Really not. Getting a bit frustrated now with this trade. So yeah, this goes to double top area. I'm probably going to take it off on the 350s. It's not showing much strength. But give it another 10 minutes or so. I think I'm gonna get out of here, man. I'm just moving at fucking snail pace. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna on this trade probably gonna set my stop to break even. Okay, so either break even or I get 350 out of it. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, 350s I think is fair price target. Give it another 5 minutes. See if we can reach it. We're at 330 at the moment. It's moving at a snail pace though. Laughter, what are you doing? Just gonna keep your trade on. What's your price target on this on the long that you took on NQ? Oh, it's starting to reject again. This is gay. Daily highs. This is gay, bro. This is fucking really gay. I don't know, man. I don't know if it's gonna make it to the highs. I don't know. Just looks so weak. I mean, it could squeeze there, but I'm not liking the way this is moving. I'm not liking the way this is moving at all. I'm not liking this laughter. I'm not really liking this. This should have started squeezing quite aggressively, and it's really not. You know, after all this consolidation, you kind of expect to see a quick liquidation spike to the upside. That's not really happening. Yeah, World Team Crypto, how's it going? You had a good day? That's great, man. I've been stuck in this fucking trade for like 2 hours, seems like. Yeah, I put it on before I came on the stream. Oh, I'm not liking this though, man. I'm not liking this pullback. Really not liking the way this thing is moving right now. After such an aggressive move at the open, just completely dead. It's like everybody clocked out and went home. Laughter, what's your you entered about here, right? About 320s? You're looking for 360s. Where would you stop out? Under this low? I think you probably get it, but that's gonna take a while. I'll take 350. Yeah. I'm not gonna look for new highs. I'll take 350. You got out? Yeah. Yeah, this price action is, it's just NQ just dicking around now. Got a minute until the next 30-minute candle opens. What time is it over there in New York? Is it lunchtime yet over there? Let's see if this new 30-minute candle can provide some volume injection. Let's see which way this 30-minute candle moves. Yeah, the whale. The whale's been cashing in. All right. Finally starting to move a little bit. Come on, give me that 350 hit. Let's go. Oh, this is fucking total garbage though, eh? Total garbage. What a chop fest. Wow. Who would have thought after that explosive open though, huh? It's gonna chop like this for the rest of the day. Fucking crazy. I don't think I've ever had to work so hard for 50 points. Yeah, I'm gonna take this trade off, guys. I've had enough of this. That's done. I'll take the money. Yeah. This is probably just gonna chop around, squeeze around. Eventually it's gonna take the highs and probably come back, and then yeah, it's just gonna fuck around. It's not gonna be much exciting. Yeah, market's bullish again. Let's have a quick look at the higher time frame before I go. Do this. You can see market was consolidating here. This was the best opportunity to take this market lower. It hasn't done it. Once bulls takes this high, I think market's bullish. It's going to go to new finally going to take out this new this high that we made back in October. We've been going sideways. Well, I think the most likely scenario now is a new all-time high. Okay, that's what I think is going to happen. The bears had many opportunities to take this market lower, and they haven't been able to do it. So, yeah, I think my my bias is now shifted to bullish. 3 weeks ago, I flipped bearish on the market. Wow, I think that was a good TP, yeah. Just got a nasty pullback again. It's been eaten up though. Yeah, got a really nasty pullback. They ate it nicely though, the bulls. Now they'll probably give them fuel to go. But yeah, it's going to be a choppy, I think, finish to this day. No point risking our accounts or doing anything stupid here. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna go chill out, probably catch you guys in Smooth's channel. That's it from me. Thank you for joining, and see you tomorrow, guys. Peace.